Hi guys, this is Ankit. In this tutorial, we will make our very first Android project. So go on Android Studio and open it. Now when you are running this for very first time, you will see this. Click on Start a new Android Studio project. Okay, the application name is the name of the application that you will see when you will put your app on Google Play Store. Now for this example, I am putting application name as sample, but you want to put this name very relevant so that people can identify by the name also what the app is about. Now company's domain name, this is I have put gnexsystems.com and it automatically generates package name for you. This package name is com, which is this part, gnex this part, and sample is the name of the application. This is actually a reverse domain notation. It is an identifier by which app is identified, because there are a lot of apps which may have the same application name. So by this name this identifier, one can identify that this is the app of a particular person. Choose a appropriate location. You can click on the three dots and then choose a particular location where you want to put your project. Click on next. Okay, so in this tutorial series we will be talking only about phones and tablets. We won't be covering TV, VR and glass. TV are the new Android TVs that are available in market. VR is like Google Watch, etc. And glass is Google Glass. Now minimum SDK, you want to keep it to at least API 8, Android 2.2, Frio. As you can see, this will cover approximately 100% of all the devices that are there, that are active on Google Play Store. Instead of this, if you suppose keep as Jelly Bean 4.2, which is of API level 17, then approximately 53.2% of the device will be covered. But we want that almost all the devices are covered and our app run on almost all the devices. So Frio 2.2 is a good option. It's arguable that we can go even lower than that, but the point is, if we do that, then we have to write a lot more code, we have to do a lot more testing, and there's almost none of the devices that are there that run on these anymore. So this is a good deal to go with. Click on next. Okay, these are different activities. Activity, you can think of activity as a screen in a very broad terms. We will elaborate on it in further tutorials. Suppose we have a web app, so home page would be an activity, about page would be an activity, contact page would be an activity. We will go through different kind of activity templates that are here further on. So at this point, let us choose as a blank activity and click on next. Okay. So here we have to choose couple of options for our new file that is created. Activity name is the name of the activity by which that screen is identified. So our about page will have like we can write it as about activity, home page as home activity, contact page as contact activity, and layout is the layout in which everything that's placed, suppose buttons, checks, views, etc., they are laid and you can see how it's placed. That is the layout file. So let's keep activity name as main activity as of now. Let's click on finish and this will generate our new project. It's building our sample project. Android Studio and Android projects, or especially Android emulator, definitely takes a little while to start. So just be patient with it. It will definitely start. That won't be a problem. Now here is our workspace. This might look a little imitating as of now, but this will make a lot of sense and everything will be clear as we go on. Now let's change our app theme to get rid of those errors. You can choose material light. That's a good theme. It's rendering for us. Actually, I worked on this before. So by default, you see a app like this in which there's a phone that's there. But I prefer to keep it without the phone so that I can get a better view of what I'm putting, and it's much more comfortable with that. Keeping this tutorial short, I will finish here, and in next tutorial we will go on with couple of things, and we will run our emulator and our Hello World app. Bye.